lost. Lost again. Lost. Exactly. Hello, lightning. Doom is back. And so are we. Well, our boss isn't back yet, but we are. What do you want, Doom? Well, let's put it this way. What I want is a taste of revenge and death. Which is why you should try me. What was that? It's a shot. It's not safe to be around sharks. Especially if they're hunting us down. Hail the Shark King, and hail him now. You see that? That's King Jaws. And that's why you should follow him and me. And Reverse Lightning when he comes back. We really gotta be careful at this point because it's getting even more risky. I agree. Once you fall, we rise into the darkness, and the world will be ours.